Presenting to you this study titled Comparative Analysis of the Writing Skills of Selected ABM and STEM Senior High School Students, Basis for Intervention Material on Priority Competencies. The rationale includes its relevance to Depot Order number 39, series of 2012. That states that secondary schools have already put in place remediation programs to address deficiencies in learning, particularly in reading and writing. According to Sales, cited by Gamiao in 2010, the Philippines used to pride itself on its citizens possessing proficiency in English, but now only 1 out of 3 Filipinos speaks and writes fluent English. This study that focuses on comparing and analyzing the writing competencies of selected senior high school students will be used to determine the writing difficulties by students so that a learning resource material to improve their writing skills will be crafted. Research questions. Number 1, what is the writing performance of the ABM students in terms of the writing mechanics as stated? Number 2, what is the writing performance of the STEM students in terms of the writing mechanics as stated? Number 3, what is the overall writing performance of the respondents? 4, is there a significant difference in the writing performance of the respondents when grouped according to their strengths? Lastly, what intervention materials could be proposed based on the results of the study? The literature review will be discussed to you by Ms. Marites Aguilar.
Writing is one of the 4 language macro skills that every individual is expected to learn. Ramos Jr. 2015. Within an organization, writing is a vital means of communication. Thompson and Shabria 2014. Writing therefore is a complex process that allows writers to explore thoughts and ideas and make these ideas visible and concrete. Hedge, as cited in Gamiao 2010, underscored that writing is a complex process. For the research design, descriptive method is used. For the sampling technique, it's purposive sampling. For the respondents, the participants were the top 5 students of their class. These students come from various large school categories in the Division of Cavite Province, representing the North, East, South, and West clusters. Total of 40 STEM and 40 ABM students were the respondents. For the instrumentation used, these are the validated teacher-made writing rubrics. The essay tests of the students were retrieved, collected, and personally checked by the researchers using these validated teacher-made writing rubrics and treated with an appropriate statistical tool. For the findings of the study, my partner, Sir J.R. Racal, will be presenting.
The findings of our study is as follows. So for table 1 is about the writing performance of STEM students. So table 1 shows that they are adept or very good in vocabulary, organization, and language use, while in content and mechanics, they are only categorized as good. The second table is about the writing performance of ABM students. So the mean description for the top 3 skills fall under the category of very good, while the bottom 2 skills are still at the level good. The third table is about the overall writing performance of the respondents. STEM students get a mean score of 3.44, while ABM students got a higher mean score, which is 3.51. STEM obtained a description of good, while ABM achieved a description of very good. The average of these scores is 3.48, showing a description of good. This shows that the writing skills of ABM students are in general better than STEM. Last table is about the significant difference in the writing performance when grouped according to their specialization. So the result shows that there is no significant difference in the writing performance of the respondents when grouped according to their strand. The conclusion, the study showed a result of mean of 3.48 mean score, which yielded an overall description of good writing skills. Based on the study, the grade 12 learners still need intervention in terms of their writing. This only shows that there is a need for intervention to be conducted so that learning gaps in terms of the communicative skills of students in writing be addressed. It is therefore recommended that an intervention material be crafted to address the identified priority competencies. Finally, It is also recommended that study on specific aspects of grammar and mechanics need to be emphasized in the intervention materials to be crafted so that the needs of students in terms of this writing competency be fully addressed. And lastly, for the references, here are the references used in this study. Once again, thank you very much.